Hi, welcome to another Level 2 Algebra video. Remember, the key thing we're trying to do now is focus on some Level 1 skills to really master them before we kick into our Level 2 stuff properly. Right, quadratics are expressions that have the highest power of 2. Alright, in the last video we took quadratics that were in factored form and showed you how to expand them. In this video we're going to take them already in expanded form and go back into factored form. Right, here's our first example. Let's factorize x squared plus 7x plus 12. So we're going to start off with this constant by itself, the plus 12, and list all the factors of positive 12. 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. Now we want to pick the pair that adds up to positive 7. So that's the 3 and the 4. So now we can write it into factored form, which is going to be x plus 3 times x plus 4. Now, because this is one bracket being times by a second bracket, it doesn't matter which way we multiply numbers. 2 times 3 is the same as 3 times 2. So it doesn't matter which way around the brackets go. So we could write it as x plus 4 times x plus 3. All right, example 2. Let's go. Let's factorize x squared plus 8x plus 16. So let's list all the factors of positive 16. 1 times 16, 2 times 8, 4 times 4. Now we want to pick the pair that adds up to positive 8. So that's 4 times 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, and 4 times 4 is 16. So we can write this down as x plus 4 times x plus 4. Now both brackets are the same, so it doesn't matter which way around we write them, but you can simplify this to x plus 4 all squared. Because both brackets are the same, we're multiplying and squaring it. This is called a perfect square. All right, example 3. Let's factorize this. X squared minus 6x minus 16. So once again, list all the factors of negative 16. So 1 times negative 16 or negative 1 times positive 16. 2 times negative 8 or negative 2 times 8. And 4 times negative 4 or negative 4 times positive 4. Now we want to pick the pair that adds up to negative 6. So in this example, it's going to be 2 and negative 8, because 2 plus negative 8 makes negative 6, or negative 8 plus 2 makes negative 6. So we're going to write it down as our first bracket is going to be x plus 2, and our second bracket is going to be x minus 8. Now once again, doesn't matter which way we write the brackets, so we could write it as x minus 8 times x plus 2, so long as we have a positive 2 and a negative 8. Right, our final example in this video is this expression. Let's factorize x squared minus 49. Well, please, in the back of your head, because it's got an x squared, there's no number with an x, and there's a number by itself, negative 49. Please, in your head, think of it like this. X squared plus 0x minus 49. Now, we carry on as normal. We list all the factors of negative 49. Negative 1 times negative 40. Sorry, what did I say? I meant positive 1 times negative 49, or negative 1 times positive 49, or 7 times negative 7, or negative 7 times positive 7. Now we want to pick the pair that adds up to 0, because that's the value of b, 0x. And that's going to be, these doesn't matter which one, 7 plus negative 7 or negative 7 plus 7, both of them add to 0. So our factored form is going to be x plus 7 and x minus 7. Or x minus 7 times x plus 7, doesn't matter, as long as one's a plus and one's a negative. Now, hopefully you remember this is called a difference of two squares. Right, well that's us for this video, so thanks very much for watching in.